Annabel Mizel here for Kamalifestyles.com, and today the question is how to get girls to do anything in bed. I can see you all getting very excited, so stay tuned and let's go find out the answers. How can a guy get a girl to do anything in the bedroom?
Don't force anything. Having that kind of discussion before in a lot of ways.
Be respectful.
Nice and be respectful.
By stroking her hair.
Respectful.
Be straightforward.
Trust is the key in every relationship, and even like in the sex life.
Yeah.
If you trust the person you're with, you're willing to try more stuff. And so yeah, I think trust, and I don't know, like time also. Yeah,
So would you say there's a secret formula, or you think it's just like individual?
it's really individual, like it's so relative, so personal, you know. Not everybody is done the same way, so I think it's really personal. Yeah.
Polite. I think that's probably what it comes down to.
Would you say there's like a secret formula that guys use, or?
No, I just think just be respectful. That's actually what it comes to, yeah.
Say the right words.
Oh, and what are they?
I don't know. We have to find out.
And what do you think?
Make them feel comfortable, make them feel safe, secure, get to know them, talking about things like that.
Would you say there's a secret formula, or it's just?
Girls should be able to do what they're comfortable doing.
Would you say there's any like special formula they do, or?
No, nothing I can think of.
I don't know, it kind of happens naturally, doesn't it?
So you wouldn't say there's any like secret formula that guys do?
I mean, I have a boyfriend and I feel like I haven't
mutual?
dated in so long that it's kind of like, yeah, it's a mutual thing, I guess.
Would you say there's like any secret thing that they do, or like secret?
Not be a creep. Tender and sweet.
So you'd say that's the secret formula, would you?
I'd say that, yes.
And is there anything you wouldn't do?
Yeah, there are a number of things I wouldn't do, regardless of stroking the hair and being quite tender.
Well, you need to trust the guy, and there has to be a confidence between both of them. Then I don't know, he just has he's not smart, and
You say that's the secret formula, just literally asking for what you want and see what they say?
Yeah.
yeah, you don't ask, you don't get.
Or trialing what you want and then seeing if you get it back.
Alcohol mainly.
Yeah. Would you say that's the secret formula then?
For one night stand, yeah. Not necessarily for a relationship. I don't know, maybe like champagne, rose petals. I don't know.
Prosecco.
Oh, there we go.
Be honest, respectful, and let her decide if she wants or not. Well, and another way too, like he can decide too. Like both parts have to be thinking the same thing.
Be nice and respectful.
Be natural.
Be natural?
Yeah, that's the secret for me.
And what do you think?
Be intense and true.
Okay guys, we have the most honest answers from our ladies today, and if you want to get a girl to do anything in the bedroom, it's best to be open, honest, respectful and confident. Guys, don't forget to check out our online confidence courses at KamaLifestyles.com, or click the link in the description below and it will take you straight there. Guys, if you've liked this video, smash that like button, share, comment and subscribe. I've been Annabel Mizel. See you all soon.